Accidents are a part of life. They can be stressful, and there's a lot to deal with when one occurs. Let the experts at Willis Collision help ease you through the burden of an accident in your time of need. Hi, I'm Josh Romick, manager at Willis Collision, here to give you a little information that will guide you through the process. First, you will need to file a claim with the insurance company responsible for payment. Tell them you want Willis Collision to repair your vehicle. Keep in mind, you have the right to select the collision center of your choice, regardless of what the insurance company may tell you. Next, give us a call or find us online at williscollision.com to schedule an appointment for one of our experienced estimators to examine the damage to your vehicle. We will submit all the required documentation and photos to the insurance company on your behalf. We work with all insurance companies and they all have a slightly different process. Once we have an agreed estimate with the insurance company, with your permission, we'll order the correct parts and schedule your vehicle accordingly. Our expert body technicians will begin the repair and make sure all parts fit properly and all safety requirements are met. I want you to know your safety is important to us. Our specialized technicians have the expertise and training to maintain advanced safety technology that other collision centers may not have. Our paint department is second to none, as they all have extensive training and master certifications in the refinish industry. They will ensure your paint matches and the repair is undetectable. We then reassemble your vehicle and restore it to the manufacturer standards, ensuring you a peace of mind that your vehicle is repaired safely and ready for your next family road trip. In addition to collision repair, we also offer other services as paintless dent repair, hail damage, headlight restorations, and small wheel repair. Willis Collision has OEM certifications with General Motors, Infiniti, Nissan, Volvo, Jaguar, Land Rover, Honda, and Acura. As our guest, your experience and your satisfaction is our number one goal. We not only take care of your vehicle, we take care of you, our guest. Come see us at Willis Collision Center.